Hi everybody, how are you all? Good, excellent. I thought I would do a wee video from my garden. Now, I've been spending quite a bit of time out in my garden or out on walks while we've been on lockdown, and it's amazing the things that you can see when you look all around you. I'm going to put up some photos as well on this post of some of the plants in the trees and the birds that I've seen when I've been out and about and in my garden. I wonder if there's anything to see in my garden today. Maybe we can go and have a look. There on my path is a bird called a dunnock. Now they've actually got a really lovely song if you get to hear it. And there's a sparrow. This one's called a house sparrow. Now we get lots of sparrows in our garden. We are very lucky. There's some more sparrows. Off they go. That bird there is a chaffinch. Now that's a female chaffinch. She's got different colours to the male chaffinch. Can you hear how noisy the birds are in my garden? That's the house sparrows, and that's them talking to each other. They've got an awful lot to say, haven't they? I wonder what they could be saying to each other. Maybe they're saying, I was on that branch. Go and find your own branch. Or, have you found any nice food today? Up on there, at the top, we have got a blue tit and a sparrow. There's a cool tit. Can you see it? There he is, he's popped down into the bush. There, on the top of that feeder, I don't know if you can see him, because he's quite well camouflaged. That means he blends into the background. That's a greenfinch. And there's another greenfinch. Wow! We've only just started having them coming into our garden, so we're really, really excited about them coming to have some food. Aren't they beautiful birds? They're very colourful. I don't know if you can see the bird on the bottom feeder there. Oh, he's away. That was a tree sparrow. Now, tree sparrow's another bird that has just started coming into our garden. Now, do you see that big bird up in the top of the tree? That's a rook. Now, we get lots of rooks come in our garden. You might see the rooks if you're out on your walk. There's lots of them down at the beach. And they live in a place called a rookery. Now hiding in the grass, can you see it? Eating my dandelions is a bullfinch. They love the dandelions. Off he goes. And look what else I found in my garden. It's the lesser spotted Springer Spaniel. This is my dog, Harris. He likes to come out in the garden, and you see he's got a really, really waggy tail. So that was just some of the things that we can see in my garden. What can you see in your garden? Would you like to tell me? Great! Oh, that would be fantastic. I love to know what you can see when you're at home. Maybe you'll see some sparrows, or maybe a chaffinch, or a dunnock in your garden, or maybe a blackbird. Have a look and see what you can find. I'll send you a wee tick list and you can have a look for yourself, and you can maybe count how many birds you see in your garden or when you're out on a walk. Okay, brilliant. I really look forward to hearing all about what you can see in your garden and on your walks. So I'm going to say bye for now, everybody. Take care and have fun outside and enjoy all the lovely nature that we can see all around us at the moment.